You are welcome to English grammar class. As you know that we are discussing the first chapter of grammar, that is tense. Under this chapter we have completed so many things in the previous classes, like the basic introduction of tenses as well as the basic classification of tense and the further division of each tense. Okay, we have started the first chapter or the first part of this chapter, that is present tense. Okay, under the present tense we have discussed about the simple present or present indefinite tense with the examples, exercise, identification, function, sentence structure, all things. Okay, now we will go from the next part of this tense, and that is today's topic. And today's topic is related with the second part of present tense, and that is the second kind, that is present continuous tense. This tense is also known as students by another name, that is present progressive tense. Okay, so I hope there is a question which is clicking in your mind about the naming of this tense. Why is it called continuous or progressive tense? So I will make you clear that after studying this topic, you are able to identify the answer of your question. Okay, so to make it clear, you have to study with carefully. Okay, so let's start with the further part, and the further part related to the identification. So let's start with the identification. How will you identify this tense? If we will talk about the English structure, so here you can see in English structure, helping verb is MR is used with the ing form of the main verb. Okay, and the Hindi sentence is terminated with the word रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूँ आदि. Okay, so here you will make clear about the identification in Hindi as well as in English. Okay, so see example on your screen. He is crying with pain. So here you can see is helping verb used, crying ing form of verb cry. So the Hindi sentence here, वह कहीं जा रहा है. तो रहा है is the terminated word of verb ja. Okay, that's why it is a present continuous tense. Now let's start with the another part, that is formation of sentences. How will you form the sentence related with it? Okay, so let's start with the first sentence, that is affirmative sentence. As you know that affirmative sentence is also known as positive sentence. So to make the sentence, here we start with the structure, and the structure for affirmative sentence given here. Structure is subject along with the is, am, are helping verb with the main verb, okay, ing form, okay, object and other words. So before going to further, here is a use of is, mr. Okay, with which subject you have to use is, you have to use are, you have to use am. So is used with the subject he, she, it, or singular noun, like he is, she is, it is. Singular means any singular noun, like a student is. In the same manner, are is used with the you, they, we, or plural noun, like students. Okay, you are, they are, we are, or students are. And am is another helping verb which is used only with I pronoun. Okay, this is the first person pronoun I. Okay, so let's see the example. It is raining now. Okay, अब बारिश हो रही है. नेक्स्ट, दे आर इन्वाइटिंग मी, वे मुझे निमंत्रण दे रहे हैं. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू कवर दिस मैटर, मैं इस मैटर को सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ. ओके, so that's why these are the examples of or the use of is, am, are. Okay, let's move on the second sentence, that is negative sentence. Negative sentence is the same structure, but here is not is used after the helping verb. As you can, the structure subject is are helping verb and the not and ing form of the main verb, object and other words. Okay, so the structure is same, but you have to use not. Example, this man is not calling them. So you can hear, you can see here is used with the not or calling before the ing form of the verb. Next one is we are not operating this machine now. So here you can see also not is used after are or before ing form of the main verb. Next is I am not supporting the administrator at any cost. Is follow also the same structure. The next one is interrogative sentence. As we have discussed in the last class, interrogative sentence is divided into two parts. First one is yes no type interrogative and second one is question word type. So yes no type interrogative sentence structure is given here, which is started from the helping verb is mr after its subject main verb, the first form ing, first form with ing and object and other words. Okay, and the sentence is terminated with the question mark. Okay, here you can see the example, are you taking interest to enjoy this if. So you can see here r is r is helping verb which is started with the sentences. Okay, the next is the question word sentence. Obviously question word sentence start with the question word and the other structure remains same. Question word after it is mr helping verb subject main verb with the first form ing object other words and the okay, so, and the whole structure is same a part of starting, that is started from the question word. Okay, you can see example, why is she leaving this opportunity. So you can see the question word is starting word of the sentence, and the next is why are you not observing this scene at a glance. This example related to the interrogative with negation. Okay, interrogative and negative means there is a negative sentence in also in the interrogative sentence, like why are you not observing this scene at a glance. Okay, next is which student is going to perform this act. So here which student is a question word, that's why it is question word sentence. Now the next part is function. Okay, function or you can say use of the present continuous tense. Okay, so how will you, where we will use this tense and what is the function of this tense. The first function is that. Okay, I will make it clear to you that the first function is that when the task is going on at the time of speaking by the speaker, means it is incompleted task which is used to show this tense. Okay, like the simple present tense is used to express an action. Okay, it is used to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking at this moment. It can also be used to show that something is not happening or now. So that's why when something is happening and something is not happening at the time of speaking by the speaker, that is present continuous tense. Okay, means any task which is incompleted, which is going on, you do not know about the completion time of this task, then it is used. Okay, now you can see the examples are here. He is working in the garden now. Okay, at the time of his speaking he is working in the garden. And another example, the boys are watching a cricket match at present. In the same manner the boys are also watching at the time of his speaking. Okay, so these are the examples to show that the task is incomplete which is shown by this tense. Okay, the next example or the next function is here. The present continuous tense is used to indicate the action that will or will not happen in the near future. When you have planned something which is going to in future, okay, which is must, that then we use present continuous tense also. For example, you can see here the example is that they are going to Mumbai tomorrow. So they have also planned to go to the Mumbai, that's why use here. My father is coming from Delhi next Monday. It is also planned by father that he will going to, he is coming from Mumbai on the next Monday. In the same manner, she is not visiting her brother next weekend. Okay, so these are the examples related with the function. Now the next topic is keywords. Keywords means the tense indicator. How will you identify the tense indicator that is given on in the sentences. Okay, the tense indicator is given here as, which is also known as keywords like now. Next one is after it, still, then at present, then still now, then at this moment. Okay, so these are the keywords to know or to identify the given tense of the sentence. Okay, so I hope you have understand the topic. Now to be continued in the next topic, and the next topic is belong to the next part of the present tense, that is present perfect tense. Okay, bye bye students.